Let us draw a star using a pen, a ruler, and a long strip of paper. First step, we wind the paper to create a knot. We wind the paper to create a knot. Tighten the knot as much as possible. And then fold it. Tighten the knot as much as possible. And then fold it. Observe that you get a shape that resembles B-2 bomber. Don't fly the bomber, just fold the wing of the bomber. So we folded one of the wing of the bomber. Let us fold the other wing as well. Observe that you get a regular pentagon. Now mark the 5 vertex of the regular pentagon. 3, 4, 5. So we mark the 5 vertex of the regular pentagon and join the diagonal. But maintain some gap in between. One diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal, and then 5th diagonal. Let those diagonal intersect.